Arambula, one of the most significant heritage villages in the world. The life of the people on the 52 Palioda lands revolves around this river, the Paliodams and the Tenbari. The rhythm and flavor of the Malayalis Onam celebration originate here. It is a place where history, legend and beliefs are intricately intertwined. The Paliodams boats crafted by the Mundapura Tachans out of wood are seen by devotees not just as beautiful sculptures but as the very presence of the deity. The Paliodams, which stand tall with 2/3 of them not touching the water, were originally designed as a safeguard for the Piruvonam boat. But today, the Paliodams stand as symbols of honor, showcasing Arambula's tradition to the world. This is the place where all visitors to Arambula are provided with a feast, Valla Sadhya. The wonder of the feast served on a plantain leaf consisting of 64 varieties of dishes.
ഇപ്പം നടത്തു പരിപാടി അതുകൊണ്ട് കേറട്ടെ എത്ര താളത്തിനൊക്കെ നോക്കുത്തടാ ഇതെന്തോ ഇത്
The sight of Paliodams lying up in the river Pamba is as majestic as the parade of elephants adorned with Nettipatam. This rhythm and flavor are unique to Aranmula alone. All these are the treasures that the heritage village of Aranmula has prepared for us.
ചന്ദ്രമണിയമ്മ ഞങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത് ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട്. കന്യാവീനായരും കുടുംബവും ഈ ക്ഷേത്രത്തിന്റെ പരിസരത്തുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചന്ദ്രമതി അമ്മയെ കൂട്ടിക്കൊണ്ട് പോകണം.
The Aranmula Parthasarathi temple is one of the 5 ancient temples in the region associated with the Mahabharata. According to legend, each of the 5 Pandavas built a temple here. Yudhishthira constructed the Trichittetu Mahavishnu temple. Bhima built the Puliur Mahavishnu temple. Arjuna established the Aranmula temple. Magula built the Tiruvannamalur Mahavishnu temple. And Sahadeva constructed the Trikurikanam Mahavishnu temple. The customs and rituals of the Aranmula temple include the Palyoram and Varasadya, which are the integral parts of its traditions.